Hey guys, it's Ben Medina. Hope you guys are having a great day. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I want to talk about a topic that I recently thought about, and I think it's something that we kind of want to chat because I think it will really help a lot of people. So I saw this great video by Amy Landino. You can check it out over here. And she talked a lot about being an introvert and how it affects her in her work and how she's been able to manage it and kind of use it to her advantage. And it kind of got me thinking a lot because personally I'm not an introvert, but I have many friends. In fact, my two best friends are both introverts, and I found that I actually really enjoy introverts. Now, there's a lot of talk about whether introverts have problems and whether people are suppressing them and they should be embraced. If you haven't read Susan Cain's Quiet, that's a great read. But I'm here to say something that is important. If you're an introvert and you're watching this, I just want to let you know you are awesome. Actually, I think introverts are actually more fun to hang out than extroverts personally, and there's a particular reason why. Naturally, as an introvert, you gain energy from being by yourself, recharging, and you get drained by being around other people, or you lose energy. And so what that means is you basically choose to not spend a lot of energy when you're around other people. Now, believe it or not, this actually has a really great benefit that I think everyone can learn. And that is that introverts actually are amazing when it comes to listening. Listening actually is a skill that is kind of not really being talked about or used, but it's actually really key for creating relationships and really creating good connections between people. And so I think one of the beauties of being an introvert is that they are very good at listening, and so they are very thoughtful about what they say. They don't tend to blab on and on and on and kind of overwhelm other people. They're very careful with the words they choose. And that leads us to a second great thing that introverts have, which is that even though they don't speak as often as an extrovert or an ambivert, I'm an ambivert, when they do speak, it's like the whole world stops and their words carry so much more weight and so much more impact. So I think if you are an introvert, the most important thing to remember is you are actually in a great spot because you have the ability to really form real human connections, and you are able to connect and relate to people in a way that for people who are extroverts or ambiverts, it's a little harder. So those are my thoughts on the matter. Again, you can check out Amy's video over here in the YouTube cards. Also put a link below down in the description. And I hope you guys learned something. If you like this video, leave a like, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any more of my videos. Do you think introverts are like this? Do you think extroverts are the opposite? How do you feel about this whole experience?